Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is FET Coin, or Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is a support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, and you can see that continuously the candles are taking support at this level, and this is the resistance trend line. And previously you can see candles went to this resistance level, and then continuously the fall is happening. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and once the breakout happens, then candles may start moving towards this resistance level. So this is the resistance, and candles after the breakout it may start moving towards this resistance level, so which is around 5.35. okay, so here you can see currently the candles are now at the support level. If you go to the weekly chart, you can see that candles are moving little sideways. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the resistance. Okay, so this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving, and after the fall the candles have taken support here around 0.12155, and then it has gone to the resistance level, that is 0.27461, and again the fall is happening. Candles may come down to the support level, and then after breakout it may go up, fall, and then finally breakout may happen. Candles may move little sideways, and in case if it gives a breakout, it may start moving in a upward direction. So currently you can see candles are falling continuously, and after the fall and breakout the candles may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level, and in case breakout happens, it may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, and here also you can see after this fall, you can see candles were moving little sideways, and then breakout happened, candles went up, then fall, and then after you can see candles start moving towards this resistance level. So here also after the breakout little sideways it may move, and then it may go up, and then it may go in a upward direction towards this resistance level. Okay, so you have to wait for the proper confirmation, then you can decide based on that. Okay, and currently you can see the candles are moving sideways. So now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. Like you can see the current price is $0.1938. It is down by 2%. Rank is around 86. Around 507k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 437 million. Volume 24 hours is 155 million. Total supply is 2.7 billion, and maximum supply is 2.7 billion. And you can see 2% only down in 24 hours. So here you can see down, and here you can see candles are falling. So that is the reason the fall is happening. After the fall and breakout, again the candles may start moving in an upward direction. Okay, so always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Suppose you can see previously you can see candles were falling, and after the breakout, if you have open position here, your stop loss will be below the support trend line. So if the price goes up, you make profit. If in reversal, you can exit with the help of the stop loss. So again the fall is happening after the breakout. If you have open position here, you should have a stop loss here, and your resistance is around 0.28178, and then if the breakout happens, it may move in an upward direction. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.